Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 6th, 2020. We have here a binary puzzle, but what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. With here a double O, here one, there one. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Then double one, here an O, there an O. Between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here an O, there an O, a double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then let me see. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 1's in a row in this column. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be in 1. Between two 1's comes an O. And if I place, we have here 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then the rest are 1's. We have a 3 1's in a row in this column. Not allowed. So this should be in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 4 O's in the last row, so this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, yes. Then I cannot continue. I need to compare then. Yes, I need to compare. Let me see. Which number can I use? Yes. Which column can I compare? This one, the second and the 4th column, we have here O, 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1, O, 1, 1. That means these two numbers, I need to switch them. Otherwise, if I place here an 1 and an O, then I have identical columns. Not allowed. Identical columns or identical rows are not allowed. One of the rules. So we have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here, so this should be a 1. Then I still cannot continue. Let me see. 1, double 1. How about this column? The 3rd column and this column. The 6th column. Yes, this one and that one. Let's compare 111100 empty box. Empty box 001100. That's correct. So these two numbers, I need to switch them. Here we have a O, this should be in 1. Here we have a 1, this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Now we have 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. And now, 2 columns or 2 rows. Let me see if I can compare. Yes, this one, this column, and the first column. Yes, can you see this? Let's compare 0011110011 empty box, 00 empty box. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. A lot of comparing with columns and rows. In this case, only columns. Yes, great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video. I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic, aka Suguru in Japanese. So, see you later and bye bye for now.